I want to step out down the Champs-Élysées, from the Arch of Triumph to the Petit Palais. That's for me. Bonjour, Paris. I want to wander through the Saint-Honoré, do some window shopping in the Rue de la Paix. That's for me. Bonjour, Paris.
I want to see the den of thinking men, like Jean-Paul Sartre. I must philosophize with all the guys around Montmartre and Montparnasse. I'm strictly tourist,
but I couldn't care less. When they parlez-vous me, then I gotta confess, that's for me. Bonjour, Paris.